In today's video, I'm going to show you how to select an image in Photopea and resize it the easy way. This is a super useful skill, whether you want to fit an image into a design, make it smaller for social media, or adjust it to the exact dimensions you need without ruining the quality. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Photopea guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your project in Photopea and make sure the image you want to resize is already loaded on the canvas. If you're working with multiple layers, click the image layer you want to adjust so you're editing the correct one. That step is important because you want to make sure you're resizing the right image and not something else in the document. Now, go to the top menu bar and click Image, then choose Image Size. This opens the Image Size dialog box, which is where you can control the dimensions of your image. Inside this box, you'll see fields for width and height, and this is where the resizing happens. Next, enter your desired new dimensions. You can type in a value in pixels, percent, or inches depending on what you need. If you're resizing for web or social media, pixels are usually the easiest option. If you're changing the image for printing or another specific format, inches may be more useful. Photopea gives you that flexibility, so choose the unit that matches your goal. Now pay close attention to the aspect ratio. You want to maintain the image's proportions so it doesn't stretch or look distorted. To do that, make sure the chain icon between width and height is linked. When that link is active, changing one value automatically adjusts the other, which helps keep the image looking natural. If you unlink it, the image can become squished or stretched, so only do that if you intentionally want a different shape. Once your dimensions are set, double-check everything before applying the change. Look at the preview and make sure the numbers are correct for your project. Then click OK. Photopea will resize the image and apply the changes to the canvas and all the content in that layer or document. And that's it. You've now selected an image in Photopea and resized it properly. It's a simple process, but once you know where to go, it can save you a ton of time when editing images. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next Photopea tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.